It's a great day at Western GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Rd in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2018 GMC Terrain SLE. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Terrain. The driver's door has power locks, power windows with an auto express window, power adjustable side mirrors, the child lock button, the power liftgate button that we can open maximum opening, 3/4 opening, or turn it right off. We've got door storage and the front speaker. Down below is our power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, a cloth interior, and a power moonroof up above. Next, I'm going to climb in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons and the right side has our audio buttons. This is our driver information center. We're able to scroll through that dash by using the arrow buttons on the steering wheel. Up above, the power moonroof buttons, OnStar, and a place to store your sunglasses. This is GMC's infotainment center, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with navigation, and it doubles as our backup camera. We're able to turn that guidance off or back on. The hard buttons for our media center, dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, the park reverse drive buttons, some USB ports and power plug-ins, no slip matting, 2 cup holders, heated front seats, hill descent control, 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, and off-road mode. At the front of the Terrain, we have LED headlamps, a 1.6-liter turbo diesel engine under the hood, 17-inch aluminum wheels, all-wheel drive, black roof rails up top. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert as well as the turn signal indicator. Rear tinted windows, keyless entry on the door handles, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors. The rear window wiper, and we've got the power liftgate. I'm going to use the key fob here, push that button twice to pop it open. In the rear, the trunk is quite spacious. We've got cargo hooks, the levers to fold the second row seating down, a power plug-in, and a storage compartment down below. Last, we'll take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger crossover. The passenger door has power windows, door storage, and the rear speaker. The backs of both front seats have got cloth seat pockets. The back of our center console has the rear fans, USB ports, and a 120-volt power plug-in down on the floor. Our middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest, and we're able to fold these rear seats down by pulling the lever on the top of the seat for those longer, larger items. So come take a look at the 2018 GMC Terrain SLE today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.